Assalamualaikum ji. Welcome back to another episode of Kya Kahega Kazi. My guest today was Natalia Gul, comedian, storyteller, an empowered woman. We get to talking about why men seem to hate women, how healing can happen, and why punishment isn't the way. Enjoy. Three, two, one. Natalia Gul, how are you doing?
Great. How are you?
We have to pretend that we've not been speaking for 15 minutes.
Asha.
अभी अभी आप आके बैठी हैं.
Sahi.
This is all just natural. We're just conversationalists.
Okay. So we're like complete strangers.
Absolutely complete strangers. Yes.
Okay,
You just
ठीक है.
walked into a studio that you didn't know what was going to happen. And
Probably it's not even a studio
it's
then.
probably not a studio. Yeah. This
Yeah.
is all a setup.
Is this like an ice cream parlor? हो
Pizza
सकता है,
joint.
हो सकता है.
Pizza joint. I like pizzas.
W11? W11?
W11 क्या होता है?
लो आप इतने
I'm sorry.
बर्गर हो
मैं
यार.
तो बिल्कुल बर्गर नहीं आप देखिए, मैं आपको
सब पता चल गया
नहीं नहीं
मुझे.
नहीं मुझे मैं आपको मैं जो है the extent of my melanus is कि मैं सिटी स्कूल दरक्षा कैंपस में पढ़ा था बस उसके बाद निक्सर
ठीक है.
उसके बाद मलेशिया एंड देन कनाडा दैट्स इट
तो निक्सर ने सब सही कर दिया.
हाँ
कोई बात नहीं. मैं भी मैं ली हूँ. मैंने मैट्रिक किया है.
अच्छा ओ लेवल से नहीं किया आपने डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश
यार बहुत खराब है मेरी.
It's crazy. Peral, how have you been? What's been going on?
We've just been getting married in Corona peak time पे.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So आजकल मैं नई नवेली दुल्हन play
How's
कर
that?
रही हूँ.
How's that going?
How do you like my look?
It's looks
नई
good.
नवेली
Yeah.
दुल्हन, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's very what's the word? Put together, very housewifey.
है ना?
Yeah. Because that's what all women aspire towards, I'm sure.
I don't know. It's just that I'm enjoying it. It's कि मैंने एक महीने से I wasn't even working.
All right.
And it wasn't like getting to me कि oh मैं independent औरत हूँ मैं क्यों घर में खाना बना रही हूँ and all that, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I kind of enjoyed that process of cooking, getting to know how the house works, how his family works, you know? So I didn't mind taking that time off to really figure it out कि ये क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ.
But I think it's a beautiful thing when you're not forced into it.
Thank God, Alhamdulillah. I think 10% of Pakistani awam girls are not forced into it. I think 90% are probably forced into it.
In some manner they are. But even more than that, जैसे कोरोना में I always thought जब lockdown हुआ ना, I always thought I'm gonna enjoy this like nobody else because I love staying inside anyways, right? But then when I was told that I can't leave and I lost the ability to leave, that's when I started hating it.
Right.
So I suppose, and that I don't know if I want to make this comparison, lekin I think it's not the housework itself that is limiting to people. I think it's the fact that they're forced into it. Full philosophy.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कोरोना काइंड ऑफ हेल्प मी बिकॉज उस वक्त मेरी कुकिंग स्किल अच्छे हो गए थे. स्पेंडिंग टाइम एट होम एंड देन शादी हो गई. आई वाज लाइक probably I was getting prepared for this.
Wonderful. They're like culinary skills. आपके ऊपर कोई requirements लगाई गई थी कि आपको ये पकाना आना चाहिए?
नहीं.
Now I've seen that done.
No. And thank God it's not like that because I don't even feel like I'm married. हमें तो लग रहा है जैसे it's a sleepover. It's like a long sleepover.
It's just a prologue.
It's like a slumber party.
But so you knew him before?
Yeah.
Absolutely. I've never met him. He's not in the studio right now.
Not at all.
No. But I just happen to know he has a flamboyant beard. Not here though. Not here. I can't see him. You can't unsee it. But acha. So you guys knew each other before, friends and all. And
Yeah. We dated for 1.5 years.
नहीं.
ये बात नहीं कर
नहीं,
सकते.
नहीं,
हाँ पाकिस्तान में तो लोग रिलेशनशिप में जाते ही नहीं
नहीं,
हैं.
भाई.
हमारी तो डायरेक्ट शादियां होती
और क्या?
हैं.
मतलब आप ये बोलना चाह रही थी कि आप एक महरम के साथ उनसे मिली and then his family was also there in all those meetings.
बिल्कुल. हमें
जी.
अपना रिलेशनशिप हलाल करना था
जी.
इसीलिए हमने शादी कर ली.
नहीं, बेहतरीन.
बिल्कुल.
बड़ी
क्योंकि
मुनासिब
वैसे भी
बात है.
पाकिस्तान में जगहों की बहुत कमी है.
जी हाँ.
है ना?
जी हाँ.
तो इसीलिए हमने कहा शादी कर लेते हैं.
बहुत बेहतर. That's very good. That yes,
I'll
conserve
tell
the
you
resources.
exactly what the concerns were and what the requirements were.
All right. But okay, I did want to bring it up, and I do want to be absolutely tactful about it. But there's only so much I can speak on because I'm a guy.
Okay.
And not only am I a guy, I am Sindhi in Sindh and I'm Sunni and all those things. तो मतलब मेरे पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं अप्लाई होती हैं. when the whole motorway thing happened, you as a comedian, as a female comedian, you speak for the margins of our society, whether you like it or not, because all comedy does come from a dark place.
Yeah.
And a lot of it is allegorical. What were your thoughts? Because, it's, yes, you must make light of it to convey to the masses and all those things, but आपकी अपनी भी एक limit होती है. So talk to me about that.
I think rape itself is a very sensitive topic for me. बचपन से I don't know why रहा है. I think हर लड़की के लिए रहता है. And then I have been a victim of rape threats when my video went viral. And seeing all those comments, आप देख भी नहीं सकते. मैंने अपना social media बंद कर दिया था. And then obviously this is not the first time we're hearing about a rape incident. There have been so many. It's just that the first time it has been talked about it.
Sorry.
I mean, I still can't hear the news. जब चल रही होती थी, I would try to avoid it. I'm like an ostrich के मिट्टी में सर दे दिया तो I can. So it's still a very sensitive topic for me. And I've said that before, and I'll say it again, that I don't fear death, but I fear rape.
Allah रहम करे. Allah रहम करे. But so जो मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था, even what I've read about it is, it's not even at all about the sex. It's not about any of that. It's about
power.
It's about power. It's about imposing your will in the most violent sense possible over someone else. So, I suppose there was that. But then you did mention rape threats and all that over comedy.
Over comedy.
And you refuse to stop still.
It was very difficult. I thought that I'm strong and kuch fark nahi pada and I can really go back. But I figured that I couldn't write anymore. And that's the basic thing for comedy. You're supposed to write and go on stage.
Yes.
और I think वो इसलिए था क्योंकि कभी तक बचपन से मैं ना अपने इमोशंस को पहचानने की सलाहियत नहीं होती. Because we're very confused. हम ज़्यादातर सर्वाइवल मोड में बड़े होते हैं. So you would never address an emotion properly. तो मुझे लगा था कोई बात नहीं क्योंकि मेरा जनरल लाइफ में एटीट्यूड यही है कि I don't stop. I hardly get hurt. I move on very quickly from things. But नहीं, that मैंने उसको सही से address नहीं किया. तो it kept inside me. Then later I found out that मेरा एक show था corporate event. And it was not even Karachi. It was a corporate event. Fatma Fertilizers का. I shouldn't have named that. तो वो शो कैंसिल हो गया हमारा क्योंकि वहाँ किसी कॉलोनी में किसी की फादर की डेथ हो गई. And I was relieved. I was like, मेरे दिल से बोझ उठा कि I don't have to perform. And I was like, I had an anxiety of performing. And I wasn't thinking about it. But then अभी तक तो I don't feel like I haven't gotten really back into the stand-up comedian mode again. Because हमारे shows भी कम होने लगे, material भी test नहीं होता हमारा. I did record a show for an online company, but I feel like I'm not happy with it. So I want to go back properly, and writing is the main thing.
Writing is the main thing.
Yeah.
मैं जो है ना ये अल्लाह रहम करे ये जो जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड वाला सारा इंसिडेंट हुआ था where a black person was the subject of extreme militant racism by a police officer, वो जो भी वहाँ के politics हैं. तो उसके ना एक हफ्ते बाद there was a white person, there was a खातून, there was a lady, and कोई infraction हुआ एक काले शख्स के साथ with a black person, and she threatened him with that same kind of violence, sort of used it, weaponized that kind of racism. I feel like in Pakistan a rape threat is a very similar thing. You are even if you don't mean it, पहली बात तो why would you say it if you don't mean it? But just saying that to a lady is tantamount to weaponizing what is an actual problem. It's a rampant problem in आपका पाकिस्तान. तो मुझे ये बड़ा feel होता है कि
इनफैक्ट आपको पता है, सॉरी कंटिन्यू, उसके बाद मैंने किसी और को देखा पोस्ट किया हुआ था. इट वाज जस्ट एन एक्ट्रेस हु हैड पोस्टेड हर पिक्चर एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक मेन कमेंटेड ऐसे कपड़े पहनोगे तो रेप होगा एंड थिंग्स लाइक ओ ये कब मिलेगी मोटरवे पे. सो नाउ यू नो दे यूजिंग दैट इंसिडेंट टू इवन अटैक अस फर्दर. इट्स नॉट लाइक उनको कुछ फर्क पड़ा है इस बात से. दे आर नॉट ह्यूमन एट ऑल.
Natalia ji, so मेरी जो सारी पढ़ाई है वो फिलोसफी में थी.
Okay.
Right?
No
So-
wonder.
No wonder. That's why I lost my hair. It's not funny. That's not funny. So my pipe जो है ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है, pipe मैं पीता हूँ, पे मैं philosophy करता हूँ.
अच्छा, you have a complete look to it.
Obviously, stereotype.
Sorry.
तो the thing is, वहाँ पे जब आप पढ़ते हो ना, when you speak about any kind of genocide, ठीक है ना, फिर whether it was the Nazis or it was the gulags or whatever else it was, in Algiers, और colonization जो हमारे भी आबा अजदाद के साथ हुआ, a lot of it, the process of a lot of it is कि आपने ना जो है dehumanize करना है दूसरे बंदे को. You're not going to consider the other person a person, because if you consider them a person,
Yeah.
you can't imagine doing this to yourself, right? So it's taken me some time. I think, और मतलब मैं अपने आप को ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि I was a toxic male in the traditional sense कि मर्द को दर्द भी नहीं होता है,
Okay.
और and women don't go to the bathroom and all those things जो भी सारी उसमें आती हैं. But a lot of it was, I think, just misplaced attempts at being a man, right? So where women are taught very early what they need to be and what they can't be, men aren't really, like, there's no real limit to them,
Right.
you know, and they're almost एक तरीके से put on a pedestal. So I suppose the question I've been trying to answer is why, when we love women so much, why do we hate them? You know, like, it's confusing, you know what I mean?
I think a lot of people don't even have the definition of love right, I guess.
सही है.
It's mostly attraction, it's a desire.
ठीक है.
It's lust. It's
ठीक है.
every little other thing than probably love, I guess.
Yes.
Because love, if you're full of love,
हाँ.
I don't even think that there's any emotion, negative emotion that can surface. So I don't think a lot of people know what love is.
Powerful, yes.
Right?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then that makes sense, right? Because there's everything. There's every superficial or superfluous emotion except actual concern.
Right.
पर मुझे फिर आप ये बताओ कि ये जो लोग थे जो ये ऐसा करते हैं, they have a mom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So how can they not have appreciation for women?
So basically, I think there are a lot of things that happens in your childhood. It comes to your, like, how you've been brought up.
सही है.
क्या traumas हैं आपके.
सही है.
Like, I was just thinking, there was a kid who was cutting kittens and posting videos like that.
हाँ, yes.
And बहुत obscene किस्म की उसकी memes चल रहे थे वो. So I was like, हाँ, इस वक्त हर कोई इसको धुतकारेगा, तुम ये, तुम वो. But nobody knows what this kid has been through. क्या पता उसका बाप abusive हो, क्या पता he's been through shit like that. तो यहाँ हमारे यहाँ क्या करते हैं, अभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग क्या है, एवरीबडी वांट्स वायलेंस इन रिटर्न.
Yes.
मारो, अभी
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है, पब्लिक हैंगिंग एंड ऑल दैट. नोबडी रियली वांट्स टू हील अ पर्सन और अंडरस्टैंड वेयर दे कमिंग फ्रॉम.
ठीक है.
सो आप अगर कोई इंसान ऐसा है उसको मजीद आप लेबलिंग करोगे, उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
ठीक है, but
You can help them. You need to help. They're sick people. You need to help them.
लेकिन नताया जी ऐसा नहीं है कि can't you maybe conceive that there is a point beyond after which they're beyond help? जैसे जो capital punishment है, ये बोल रहे हैं public hanging. I feel a dimension of wanting a public hanging is कि सबने ये सुना है, सबने ये देखा है कि one of these people was actually convicted, you know, and then they escaped or they were
Yeah.
let out or whatever. So we're kind of being let down by the system, एक तरीके से, right?
Yeah.
और उसके बाद they're like, but they still need to be punished.
Yeah.
But you still think helping them, because I would honestly, with all due respect, Allah मुझे माफ
देखिए
करे,
एक हद तक हेल्प कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, I would say get rid of them.
Criminals की तो हेल्प आप नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं, yeah.
हाँ, but
Yeah, sorry, I'm sorry, but I think कि अगर if this is what they're going to do,
yeah.
right? I have to.
But
you
I
have
do
to.
think that they should have even therapy in jails. क्यों, like, आप क्यों इंसान एक crime कर रहा है? There's always a reason behind it. Nobody wakes up and decides that he wants to be a bad person.
Sure.
Right?
Okay, yeah.
क्या हुआ है उसके साथ that has led him to do something so inhumane? So if you can, you know, there are a lot of ways to heal your childhood traumas. Therapy is all that.
Yeah.
Ayahuasca is all that.
Ayahuasca is that's the one. That's the one.
That's the one.
That's the one. मतलब मैंने, you know what? I've considered.
It's life changing.
I don't know. I've considered it. I've considered it so many times. So I was never like मेरा traditional ना Islamic upbringing नहीं थी मेरी. But then I started praying when I was 19.
Okay.
उससे पहले मतलब my mom tried, but we were very paternal side से we were very liberal family, and liberal का मतलब यहाँ पे necessarily ये होता है कि मतलब अगर एक नमाज भी पढ़ ली बच्चे ने तो मुल्ला है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मतलब at least, well, I'm not making fun of anyone.
Yeah, but you're Sindhi, right? तो
I
ज़्यादा
am.
से they're Sufi. They're probably not that religious.
मतलब हाँ, हाँ.
है, ऐसा नहीं ईमान नहीं है. ईमान है, but
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
they're like बस जिंदगी में मजा आना
मजा.
चाहिए.
Was this Hindi men at least यही होता है कि चाय हो और gathering हो और बस
कचेरी.
कचहरी हो. No, a liberal so well off Sindhi lady once said to me, she's like, yeah, Sindhi women don't work hard. I'm like, well, that's very
Sindhi men
privileged.
even don't work hard.
Oh, Sindhi men don't work hard generally, ठीक है, but Sindhi women एक socio-economic class पे तो they don't. But आपके ख्याल में बाकी farmers वगैरह हाँ उनमें वो क्या कर रहे होते हैं?
Yeah,
You
they're
know what I
working
mean?
hard.
Yeah, but going back to the ayahuasca, I actually considered taking. I was like, it's going to be absolutely life-changing for me. But I don't know. I guess I'm just too chicken to do it.
There's a calling to it. You know, when you're mentally ready for it, you do it. So don't force yourself कि अब ज़रूरी है. अगर दिल नहीं मान रहा तो नहीं मान रहा. But have you tried any other psychedelics? Because you need to lead up to that.
अच्छा, नहीं मैं सोच रहा.
This is Drago Course 101.
These are medicines. These are medicines. These are
Exactly,
medicines. हाँ,
exactly.
This is all medicine.
पहले alternate medicine इसको कहते हैं. पहले तो यही medicine थी.
Homeopathic medicine.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ,
जड़ी बूटियाँ.
जड़ी बूटियाँ is what it is. And no, I have not considered any. मैंने ये सोचा था.
भंग भी नहीं पी.
नहीं जी. मैंने शीशा भी नहीं पिया है.
यार आपने तो सिंधियों की नाक कटाई.
नहीं.
सिंधियों
No. I'll tell you what I'm addicted to. I'm addicted to food. So
this is okay. See, I'm this drugs are not addiction. Especially these drugs are not addictive.
But we were talking about medicine, so I don't know what.
Okay.
हाँ, हम दवाई की बात कर रहे हैं. और जो है.
Okay, so you're addicted to food.
Food, absolutely. I think I have an eating disorder. So on average, I'll eat in a day 7,000 calories, 8,000 calories.
But then you have a brother who works out. Gym में basement में क्या tension है?
I don't know if I can work out enough to burn out 7,000. 7,000 is a lot at my height. But and then I'm pretty sure I'm addicted to Red Bull and Monsters.
No wonder you were offering us that.
मतलब मैंने वो तो मतलब एक वो मेहमान नवाजी भी कोई चीज होती है. कुछ तो खाओ, कुछ तो
First
पियो.
मेहमान जो offer कर रहे हैं Red Bull Monster.
अभी जो है I was
Bull
like,
semen?
हाँ वो भी दवाई होती है.
उसमें होता Red Bull में यही तो है.
टॉरिन होती है ना.
Bull semen. Are you sure you want to have it now?
I'll still have it. I want some of that. No, but what I'm saying is, so I've never led up to it. My thing was, because it needs to be paradigm shifting, right? I'm going to lock myself into a room. ये मुझे पता है कि you can't have the sacred plant. No, there are many sacred plants. You can't have sacred jadi booty and then look at yourself in the mirror. You freak out, apparently.
Who is telling you all that?
Other people?
No, this is where you do wrong.
Okay.
Everyone has their own experience.
ठीक है.
ठीक है? तो कभी ये नहीं कि उसके साथ ऐसा तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है.
ठीक है.
And firstly, you need to know your mental state. You need to know a setting, comfortable setting.
ठीक है.
People you trust.
ठीक है.
And psychedelics are that. Psychedelics have been very spiritual for me. They're not like recreational drugs for me. So I feel like I did LSD for the first time and I was like, what is life? मेरे साथ ही क्या झूठ बोला गया है?
नहीं, अच्छा, did you become a musician? After LSD, I assume everyone's just going to become a musician.
I think you get very, I think बहुत connected हो जाते हो आप. You figure out yourself more.
All right. That's interesting.
Life approach आपकी change हो जाती है. ठहराव सा आ जाता है.
अच्छा, ठहराव हो जाता है. No, but see,
बस आपकी वैसे भी brain में rewiring होती है. It's proven. With psychedelics, with shrooms, with LSD, there's a rewiring in your brain.
Wow.
Yeah. That's why it has been used for therapy as well now.
Well, therapy तो absolutely. बाहर तो legal है बहुत सारे उनमें because it's a medicine. It's actually a medicine.
Yeah.
Without any jokes, it's a medicine.
Cancer patients को दिया जा रहा है.
जी
shrooms.
बिल्कुल. जी बिल्कुल. Shrooms and वो marijuana तो.
It's been legal. हमारा भांग legal हो गया पाकिस्तान में.
हाँ.
यार आप क्या सिंधी? कोई काम की खबरें तो है ही नहीं.
I'm sorry. I don't know what kind of. I hate guns too, by the way.
Good.
I hate guns. No, but then I'm not, Sindhi wise. I hate guns and I hate Vigos.
Corolla तो होगी. Corolla तो पहली सिंधी कार है.
उससे क्या होता है?
पहली सिंधी कार Corolla है, उसके बाद Vigo Revo.
अच्छा. हाँ नहीं Corolla तो है. Just because it's so reliable, it's a Toyota, no? That doesn't prove anything. And लेकिन come back to so I think we're uncomfortable because obviously language is so powerful and we're like, oh, drugs. But and I might get into trouble for saying this, a lot of religious people or a lot of prominent writers, they've used some of this stuff, right? Like,
Right.
जैसे, and now I'm really might get into trouble, but Allama Iqbal साहब जो थे, isn't it known that he
What
would
did he
have,
consume?
well, he would have psychedelic experiences. I don't know the woe of it. बता रहा हूँ मुझे क्या, मैं तो सुना है लोगों से,
अच्छा।
उसी बंदे ने जिसने बताया था ना कि शक्ल ली थी, उसी ने ही बोला था
इस बंदे से मिला मुझे
चाइनीज का
जो
hit
पहुंच
Canada.
गया कि इलामा इकबाल भी कंज्यूम करता है. I like this theory a lot.
Yeah.
I really hope it's true.
Well, so I listen to a lot of Joe Rogan, and he's like a most groundbreaking paradigm shifting inventions happened under the influence.
You know what I feel is because usually our mind is controlling us.
Yes.
We're the prisoner of our brain
Yes,
and
yes,
mind.
yes,
ठीक
yes.
है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, you come in a state of flow.
ठीक है.
जिसमें you are connected to this whole, this universe which is probably a simulation, or it's probably like, I have a lot of theories.
Yes. We can talk about those. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
But you have to go to dinner, नहीं तो we can talk about those. No problem. Dinner में बैठी हुई क्या? खाना? नहीं, खाना कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं बिलीव नहीं करते, बट सोचने में क्या है, बिकॉज
Hypotheticals,
मेरा
yeah.
तो क्वेश्चन यही है कि ये क्या है. Like a lot of people don't even want to question it. I question it every day.
You need to.
Like, where am I?
Yeah.
What am I? What's my life purpose? What is all this? What
Yeah.
is this connection? Why am I seeing patterns and numbers? So it's a lot.
Well, again, that, and also one of the things that I feel would be very exciting about psychedelics is we're taught so many conventions. There's conventions in our conventions. There's conventions that we've assimilated to, and they're in our subconscious. We don't even know.
Exactly.
ठीक है ना? ये सारा होता है ना, we it's almost become a cliche, policing of the female body and this and that. But there's stuff that I don't even know that I know women should be like. Do you know what I mean?
So basically, you're saying there's a lot of information is subconscious.
Most of it is subconscious.
But you don't know because obviously. But then वही psychedelics and all that, उसमें ही आपके surface होती हैं सारी बातें.
जी. And then वही वाली बात है ना, वो आपने जो rewiring बोला, you kind of unpack these conventions and you're like, why do I feel this? Why do I think this?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I think that would be cool.
But all men think like that because they're shallow. They want women to look like a certain piece.
यार पता है, आप सही बोल रहे हो, and I was speaking to Talha Gauri, right? So basically, two bald men thinking about why women are the way they are. तो मतलब ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, because we were smarter than
Right.
women, obviously, and all those things. Zahir hai, I'm not being sarcastic at all. This is truth.
But हाँ.
सही है ना? But so I was like, कि part of the reason for why there's so much hate in a man for a woman is because a woman is commodified. Because she's commodified, तो वो एक चीज़ है, चलो एक चीज़ तो है वो, and she's so fundamentally different than a man, which again is erroneous because they're not there's literally one chromosome. That's it. There's not a lot of difference, but because they're so different, because they're the other, फिर वही colonial mindset मेरे ख्याल में आ जाता है. Well, the colonizer thought कि यार देखो, जो भी ये लोग हैं, brown people or what have you, they're somehow fundamentally not the same thing that we are.
Of course.
Right? So I feel, for the most part, and there are beautiful, brilliant exceptions, right? I've met some beautiful men who are like, I'm just like, yes, you need to lead us and then everything's going to be fine. But for the most part, एक otherness है कि औरत जो होती है वो, like you generalize these things.
So, I even feel कि जिस तरह की feminist movement में सिर्फ कहते हैं औरत 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 सारे सेशंस में औरतों को एम्पावर कर रहे हैं. भाई आप आदमियों को एजुकेट करो तो वही आपकी औरतों को एम्पावर करेगी. If I'm strong today, it's not because of my mother, it's because my dad has empowered me like this. My brother has empowered me like this.
Sure.
So,
That's powerful. That's very powerful.
That's what you need to do. आप औरत को बोलो कि हाँ उठ के जाओ काम करो. कल को उसका भाई इजाजत नहीं देगा तो फिर आप कितना एम्पावर कर लोगे, वो लड़ते रहेंगे. So you need to educate. आदमियों को एजुकेशन देनी है.
So there was something very interesting I read. औरत मार्च का I follow the Instagram on औरत मार्च, सही ना? तो
Can I still?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, just reach out. I would love to have people throwing stuff into the camera. ये हमेशा से यही था. Midway through, but ये आपका. So I saw the poster. और उस पे ना it was literally like कि there's a speaking event. ठीक है ना? We start from this and that, and I got really excited. I'm like, speaking event, I'm gonna go. There's going to be free-flowing ideas. It's gonna be awesome. And then उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था, no cisgendered men allowed, or no cisgendered speakers allowed. Enough is enough. You're saying that shouldn't happen.
I don't think so. हमने शिफ्ट भी देखा कि पिछले साल औरत मार्च पे ज़्यादा औरतें थी. इस साल आदमी भी थे बराबर के. आई थिंक इक्वल आदमी होंगे.
Wow.
एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट्स सपोज टू बी. इट्स नॉट लाइक कोई, आई फील इट्स नॉट कोई जंग नहीं है. अब
नहीं.
इट हैज़ बिकम टू अ पॉइंट दैट यू हेट मैन. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट.
No.
And it's not even about authority. I feel there should be a balanced energy going on around in the world. And I think that is beautiful because एक आदमी में feminine, masculine energies दोनों मौजूद हैं. It's
सही.
just that you need to take them out or you know, address them or
Absolutely.
get to know them.
100%. Okay.
Even the same happens with like female. They have masculine energies भी हमारे अंदर है. That's exactly how a body or a human is supposed to be. It's called the yin yang.
Sure. Yes. Agreed. you spoke about your father and your brother, mashallah say, empowering you. How many dimensions do you think there is to empowerment? Obviously, them telling you कि ये आपने करना है, and then mashallah say your husband, who I don't know, he also seems like a very the pro-empowerment kind of person, very chill इस किस्म का ना. But how many dimensions do you think? Because for me personally, अपनी वालदा के साथ या अपनी बहनों के साथ मुझे हमेशा ये फील होता है कि all else to one side, I need to make them financially independent. मुझे ये बड़ा फील होता है कि I like they should never want for anything financially, right? And then they will be free to choose what they want to do or how they want to do it.
So I think women are very complex creatures.
Absolutely,
ठीक है?
yes.
आदमियों को it's very clear. They want power, they want money.
ठीक है.
सही है?
Fair.
I don't think this is what women need. Women, they want emotional security.
ठीक है.
If they have that, they will grow, they'll shine. They don't even want your money.
सही.
So that is very important. They need to feel secure emotionally. I don't know if that makes any sense, but
It
that's
makes
what
sense.
I feel.
Yeah, and that's profound then, no?
And
Because
why I say that is because so I recently got married and haq meher ki baat hui. So I asked my dad, what is this? He's like, कि वो तुम्हें दे रहा है as a security. Your husband is going to give you this money as a
ठीक है,
security.
ठीक
And
है.
I was like, what kind of security? I don't need any financial security because if something goes wrong, haq meher शायद उस वक्त दिया जाता है. When you wanna, yeah. So basically, आपको औरत को पैसे देने पड़ते हैं like when things go wrong. So I was like, I don't think at that point I would need like paise because my house is breaking. Why would I care about money? I think most of the women would probably or men would, but I didn't feel this way. So हमने हक महर नहीं लिखवाया. तो मौली साहब ने कहा मिनिमल हक महर तो होना चाहिए. तो it was just 1100 रुपए मैंने कहा था, but मौली साहब was like नहीं थोड़ा और, एक और जीरो डाल दे. तो yeah, that's what happened.
Mauli's was like, you don't understand. You don't understand.
But you know what my dad did? अब निकाह नवा में उन्होंने मेरा भी हक डाला for divorce कि अगर मुझे हक चाहिए तो I should be able to practice it. वैसे नहीं होता औरतों के
What?
पास.
Okay, wait. Explain that to me. What do you mean?
So औरत के पास निकाह नामा में हक नहीं होता divorce लेने का. ठीक है?
What?
खुला लेने का हक होता है.
हाँ.
खुला is like separation और
Yeah.
फिर जब आदमी माने.
हाँ.
तो बाबा ने कहा कि she should be able to practice her right to divorce when she wants to. उसमें मौली साहब ने कहा कि सिर्फ आपकी इजाज़त, पेरेंट्स की इजाज़त रिक्वायर्ड होगी. That was like fine, that is fine. That is fine, but at least होना तो चाहिए.
No, that is fine according to your parents. लेकिन I didn't know about any of this. कि
मुझे भी नहीं पता था. It's जब करनी होती है तभी पता चल जाता है
But
चीज़ों के
it's-
बारे
वो तो चलो,
में. I
alhamdulillah.
was never worried about it initially.
It's just like यार हाँ शादी वो pros and cons weigh कर लो पहले. Divorce
No,
कैसे
even
होता है?
my husband Muhammad Ali was like, you should read Nigahnaama. Have you read it? I was like, नहीं पढ़ा ये वो. He even wanted this कि मेरे पास ये right हो.
Wow, that's profound. That's powerful. I remember, ये सारी domestic गुफ्तगू जब होती है, तो the wife is always expected to adhere to the laws of the husband's house and all those things. And religion is cited. Religiosity and all those things are cited immediately. They're like, this is how, what you're supposed to do according to the religion and all those things. It's not incumbent upon you in that औरत का फर्ज नहीं होता, औरत पे फर्ज नहीं होता है मर्द के वालिदैन का ख्याल करना.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I mean? Like that's not something that's not something that's farz upon the aurat. And that was news to me too, because what I had seen in my life, in my childhood, was ki bhai, you know, so any woman who marries into the family takes care of the whole family.
Yeah.
And whole as an extended family. Apparently that's not like you can be nice about it.
Yeah, I mean, obviously हर बात तो नहीं लिखी कुरान में.
नहीं.
हम by the book हर चीज ले लेते हैं.
हाँ.
It's just a guide.
Yeah.
But ये तो आपका इंसानियत कहती है कि बूढ़ों का ख्याल रखो, help them out, listen to them.
बिल्कुल. Yeah.
So
But
it comes naturally.
Yeah, 100%. And then that's beautiful if it comes naturally. But you can't. What I'm saying is, if you're going to,
I think societal ज़्यादा मसला ये
जी
more
हाँ.
than religion.
जी हाँ.
It's के बहू is supposed to be a certain way.
हाँ.
मेहमान आएंगे तो वो घर serve करेगी, you know.
हाँ.
So it's very new for me that when I'm sitting with married women now, because अब single लोग मुझे नहीं बुलाते हैं. अब हम सिर्फ married couple में hang out करते हैं.
That's beautiful thing in its own
नहीं,
right.
we don't want to do that. We want to be able to meet single people as well.
All right. पता नहीं क्या रखा है यहाँ पे.
अच्छा तो so it's very interesting when you're sitting with married women and they're talking about how it's in their house, how the mother-in-law expects the certain things, and I see that every woman is different. तो आप उसको हर किसी को same उसमें नहीं ढाल सकते. Now if I am enjoying cooking, if I'm doing certain way, it's just that I like it. कुछ औरतें नहीं पसंद करती तो उस पे expectation नहीं होनी चाहिए.
नहीं.
And that's where the husband comes in the play, that he has to stand for the wife कि नहीं वो आपकी she's not your paid servant, or you can't expect her all that. वो अपनी मर्जी से करे, naturally जो भी करे, impose नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
तो this is the whole dynamic शादी के बाद सास मियाँ. And you know what happens is आपका relationship बेचारा जो husband है ना वो बेचारा फंसा हुआ है मुझे लगता है. बेगम की तरफ से, माँ की तरफ से भी. So it's just really tough on him as well बेचारा. So या तो either the Saas and Bahu, I don't know if you're interested in this conversation.
Obviously I am, because I'm listening.
But आपके लिए married life advice भी दे रही हूँ मैं मज़ीद.
बिल्कुल, everyone needs to know this, yeah.
You know, I think बहुत सारे मसले हल हो जाते हैं if you just talk it out, face to face. Not like crazy fight situation, like बैठ के तमीज़ से that, अगर आपको मुझसे प्रॉब्लम है आप मुझसे बात करें, उसको नहीं तंग करें, I think that is the solution to everything.
आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. The only caveat I would put in there is कि बात तो बिल्कुल यही है. You're going to solve it by talking. But you have to leave muashara out of it. लोग क्या कहेंगे out of it? If there's a problem between you and me, it needs to be between you and me, and we're going to solve it. It's not going to be you, me and Karachi or whatever.
And another issue is कि वो जो generation है ना हमारी जो अम्माएं और सासों की age है, उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. This is what they have learned. This is how they were brought up. उनको लगता है कि छुपा के रहो, मोहल्ला क्या कहेगा, लोग क्या कहेंगे. तो वो अभी इतने जल्दी नहीं change हो सकती. What you can do is you can come from a place of understanding कि हाँ ठीक कह रही हैं आप, दिल में आप चाहे जो भी करो, but you बहस मुबासे में पढ़ने से क्या, because उनकी age ऐसे है कि they're not going to change.
No, they can't.
So what you can do is make a difference in your children's life probably.
Inshallah.
All
right, so we absolutely, because of all the violence or the sexual assault or whatever, because of all that, we absolutely need a revolution. But I feel like what you're saying is something that many other intelligent people have also said, is कि मेरे ख्याल में चे गवेरा ने ये बोला था कि I'm just saying, I don't know if you like him or not.
मैंने तो metric किया है.
उस बंदे ने वो भी नहीं किया था. तो it's the truth. He's just white and he spoke a little bit of English.
Then what did he say?
He said, the heart of a revolution is love, not hate. Because the thing is, you need to... Because देखो ना, Friedrich Nietzsche, who's a German philosopher, and he was a psychologist as well. Nietzsche भाई, लेकिन वो रहते यहीं पे थे सियालकोट में. आपको पता है सियालकोट में? नहीं अच्छा चलो इसको भी काट देना.
I was a little lost. मैं उस पुरानी पिछले statement में I was just absorbing it.
इस जोक को भी काट देना. नहीं, but Friedrich Nietzsche, he was a German philosopher, and he said this. He argued that as long as you have a why, you will get through any how, right? Hate isn't a why. Hate is a how. I don't like this about you, I don't like that about you. That's a how. You cannot fundamentally hate. That's just, it doesn't make sense. But you can fundamentally love, right? So for a revolution to happen, you need a why. Well, why do women need to be protected? whatever the beam like बहुत ज़्यादा I think I've harped too much on this particular thing, but whatever, you know, why do we need more education into our black community or our history with slave trade,
Right.
Sindh's history with slave trade? So, you know, why comes from love? Why comes from wanting to understand,
Yeah,
from empathy?
exactly.
Why does not come from isko mita do or
Exactly.
hate? You know, like
Yeah.
that doesn't make sense. So the heart of revolution is love. That's what you're saying.
It's basically death of ego.
सही.
So अगर आप वो खत्म कर दें
Hmm.
तो I think life is very clear, smooth. It works for you.
Hmm.
But you just need to work on yourself for that. You need to, I guess, it starts from loving yourself.
Sure.
जो नहीं आता बहुत सारे लोगों को because हमें बड़ा ऐसे किया नहीं, confidence नहीं दिया जाता,
सही.
that bullying and all that you're not good enough.
सही.
So if you become very secure as a person and you have love, you are love, and that's the only thing you will attract then.
Is love.
और टॉलरेंस भी उसके साथ ही आ जाती है. ये सारे इमोशंस आपकी जो टॉक्सिन्स रिलीज एंड केमिकल्स, इट जस्ट balances you.
सही. 100%. Were you ever bullied as a kid?
Yeah, by my sister.
Sorry. इसको काटना है तो बाद में बता दूँ. नहीं अगर कॉर्नर आउट. सही है. आपने अच्छा तो नहीं किया लेकिन चलो. But by your sister, where does the impetus for comedy come from? Because and I'll kind of explain my question. You know how people say people have stage fright. You know that's the natural reaction, right? You know what you do is unnatural. क्योंकि natural reaction.
Okay. अच्छा समझ गई.
Speaking in front of a crowd, क्योंकि physiologically speaking हमारे दिमाग इस तरीके से develop हुए हैं कि if you need to speak in front of a crowd, it's because they're your tribe and they're going to amputate you from the tribe and then you're not going to survive. That's where
हो
the cold
सकता है.
sweats and the sweaty palms come from. Elevated heart rate, you know. Like I used to think there was something wrong with me because I couldn't speak in front of the crowd. I'm normal. So you know, you're the one who has a problem. So why comedy like that?
So I was always like a cartoon.
जी जी.
मतलब मुझे बहुत शौक. So okay. एक काट दें.
हाँ, इसको-
बताती हूँ
हाँ,
क्या
इसको-
मसला
हाँ, इसको-
है. So we had a black and white camera. बाबा ला के दिया था हमें.
ठीक है.
And we would be home all the time, us kids. My parents used to party a lot. तो
I see.
हाँ, घर छोड़
Used to
के
take a lot of
बच्चों को
medications. को जरूरत थी दवाइयों की.
तो हम सारा वक्त वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट कैमरा से वीडियोस बनाते रहते थे.
सही.
एंड आई वुड जस्ट I never had a personality, so मैं अब किसी से भी मिलूंगी, मैं वो बन जाती थी. कोई भी बच्चा घर आ गया है, स्कूल में किसी को देख लिया, I would bring that character home. Because probably I was never comfortable being myself.
Sure.
And then I started doing drama in school. तो मैं हर play में थी. And my parents would love and support it. My
Wow.
mom would make my costumes. So I got a lot of love. My parents are full of love.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
My sister is just a problem.
हाँ
ये
ठीक
काट
है.
देंगे.
होता है. ये नहीं कटेगा. यही तो चाहिए.
अच्छा प्रोमो में वगैरह में नहीं लगाते.
उसमें तो लगाऊंगा
वो
भाई.
पूरे घंटे का पॉडकास्ट कभी नहीं देखेंगे.
नहीं I need followers. नहीं उस बगैर तो वाले नहीं होते.
Eject.
Why Natalia Gul hates her sister?
I don't hate her. I love her now
But
because
she's not love. She's hate. है ना?
अब तो चेंज हो गया है.
हाँ.
बड़े होके सब सही हो जाता है. बचपन में you're like तुम मेरे साथ क्यों कर रही हो ऐसे? And there's a reason to it as well. Because
She hated you
why? I'll tell
because you were loved.
No. क्यों? उसमें hate कैसे आया?
Okay.
It's because of my mom. तो मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी तो अम्मा मेरी बहन को धमकियां दे रही थी कि तुम होमवर्क नहीं करोगी तो तुम्हारे सारे टॉयज छोटी बेबी को दे दूंगी. मैं आई नहीं हूँ दुनिया में अभी तक.
लेकिन
सही है?
आपके नाम का
मेरी अम्मा ने
तहका
गाड़
था.
दिया. तो my sister started scheming that अभी बेबी आएगी नहीं, मैं उसको पानी में डबो. I was born in Manoda, weirdo. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Manoda Island.
Wow. All right. Cool.
Yeah. So my sister was like इसको मच्छरों को दे दूंगी, उसको डुबा दूंगी, इसको ये कर दूंगी.
Very reasonable things.
So उसने बिल्कुल सही सोचा जो विसिनिटी में करीब है क्या है.
जो convenient.
कन्वीनियंट क्या करूं, लाइट हाउस से गिरा दूंगी. उंगली तो उसने मेरी दरवाजे में दी.
हाँ ठीक है चलो. Fair enough.
ये किया उसने मेरे साथ. खैर तो अब
But-
बस यही था जब when I came into this world I had an enemy
हाँ.
and she wanted to kill me. Then
Alright.
she tortured me by saying कि ओ तुम्हें तो रेड इंडियन से उठा के लेकर आए हैं, तुम मेरी बहन नहीं हो. And I would cry, I was like क्या सीन है. फिर मैं बोटिंग पे नहीं जाती थी कि ओ मैंग्रोव से तुम्हें लेकर आए हैं. So my life was traumatizing because of my sister.
Tell me more.
All my traumas have healed.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, there's peace and love.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But
But it's like we can talk about it. I can tell her that you did this, and that's beauty of it. Like, you know, tell her, अब तो we've healed, but you know, you can still talk about it. क्योंकि अभी तक I feel like I'm still healing. So I used to एक और किस्सा सुना देती हूँ आपके थोड़े से gossip के लिए.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
So I used to be like मैं कमरा लॉक करके 8 से 9 के बीच में ना अम्मा के कमरे में फुल वूफर लगे हुए थे. मैं बेड पे चढ़ के आई यूज्ड टू प्रिटेंड दैट आई एम एवरिल लवीन, मेरा कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है, मेरे फैंस हैं, मैं पूरी परफॉर्मेंस देती थी.
सही.
सो दिस वन टाइम माय सिस्टर सॉ मी फ्रॉम द विंडो कि ये कर रही है. शी टोल्ड एवरीबॉडी कि नतालिया इतनी वियर्ड है, कमरे में ये कर रही थी, वो कर रही थी, हाँ इसको लगता है ये वो. आई स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. So recently I've discovered that I have a voice, like I can sing.
Oh, can
but
you?
yeah,
All right.
I'm trying to figure it out.
I want to learn how to sing.
हाँ, I've gotten like basic, बिल्कुल हल्की सी training ली
That's
है.
awesome. All right.
But then I was like, I feel shy singing in front of an audience, like in front of anybody. And then my husband, Mohammed Ali, जो थोड़ा सा wise है मुझसे, he's like, you know, something might have happened. Like, what happened? Then I recalled this incident. It's
Yeah.
like Natasha ने मुझे इतना bully किया था. I was ashamed of it. So now I'm still carrying that shame and like fear of being judged.
That's powerful. Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
So now what happens is like my connections I think मेरे stronger हो गए कि अगर ये issue है तो क्या हुआ था ऐसा बचपन में मेरे साथ जिसकी वजह से I'm feeling a certain way.
सही.
So you know this is what you need to identify to solve a lot of issues that are going on in your life and why you behave a certain way
100%. Yeah.
because they all have a connection to what happened to you.
They must. I think they have to come from somewhere. But you still okay. So you were shy about singing, but you still wanted to go on stage.
हाँ.
Why?
So I was always like a star.
ठीक है.
वो बचपन से था कि मुझे हमेशा मेन रोल मिल रहे थे,
सही,
like the
माशाल्लाह.
popular kid in the school type of situation. Monitor भी मैं बहुत बनी थी, prefect, monitor, मुझे हर चीज़ करनी होती थी. Like I was that girl.
All right.
चुटिया बना के
Cute. All right.
I'll do it.
All right.
My mom would hate it. कहती तुम कुछ तो छोड़ दिया करो और बच्चों के लिए. I was like आज ये बनाना आज ये. So and then I got a lot of support from my dad. He would come to watch me perform.
Wow, beautiful. All right.
And I would test my material on my mom. तो वो सारा support था.
सही.
And I did commercial theatre as well.
All right.
जिसकी वजह से I think मेरा stage fright नहीं है.
सही.
In fact, what the weird problem is that I'm really bad at rehearsals. Theatre play वगैरह में, writing sessions होंगे comedy के. I'm really bad at that.
All right.
But when I go on stage, there's something about it that is just, I feel strong and empowered and the stage lights and the mic, it's a power in itself.
That's beautiful. But okay, so you hate convention then? That's what you're saying. You're like कि आपको mic दे के that's also material पर आपको mic दे के एक organic interaction में छोड़ दिया जाए. लेकिन no conventions, nothing scripted एक तरीके से. That's what you're saying.
नहीं scripted क्योंकि stand up is scripted, theatre सारा scripted था.
All right.
I would feel very comfortable compared on stage क्योंकि वो एक पूरे character में आप होते हो. Stand up maybe there's a character. There's not like completely Natalia. There's probably a character that I'm putting.
All right.
Especially because this one time, so I used to dress up for my shows. Heel and there was a corporate event. I was wearing heels and a blazer. फैसलाबाद में था लेकिन किसी अच्छी कंपनी का था. As soon as I walked on stage, सीटियों की आवाज़ आई. I was like, इन्होंने मुझे sexualize कर लिया है. How are they gonna find me funny now? 5 मिनट का मेरा set है. Then you know what I did was I started dressing down more like a tomboy.
सही.
इनको लगे लौंडा है.
सही.
उस पे तो हंसेगी ये लोग.
सही.
क्योंकि
ठीक है.
5 मिनट में यहाँ से यहाँ उनको बताने में लेकर आऊँ कि you know I look a certain way but hey I'm funny and
हाँ.
ये फ्रॉम गाना. But then when I started dressing down, wearing my jeans and खुली shirt and all that, people are like अच्छा सही ये तो boy है. Like, you know,
All right.
she can make us laugh. ये
Sure.
भी तो बहुत मसला है audience के साथ.
I think audience in खास तौर पे with हमारी जो male gentry है उसके साथ ये बड़ा issue है कि you know women can't show us the way, they can tell us how to feel. ये एक बड़ा power के बारे में होता है ना scene.
Again, it's an ego thing.
It's an ego thing. You have to let go of ego.
Yeah.
I am aware that you guys had to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking at someone who's not in the room. But
What time
Nataya,
is it? ठीक है.
Nataya, this has been wonderful.
Yeah, it was.
I hope that you consider coming on again, inshallah.
For sure.
And do you want to plug in your stuff, where people can find you, follow you, and all those things?
Yeah, on Instagram it's Natalia Gul and on Facebook it's Natalia Gul Jalani. That's about it.
All right.
Twitter बहुत टॉक्सिक हो गया है, so I don't use
Oh
it
yeah, वो बात तो
anymore.
हमने खोली नहीं. Next time. Anyways, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. This was a lot of fun, and I wish you all the best for this. And I hope you try one of those jari booties and tell me your experience about it.
I will.
or probably do it live on the show.
No, no. हद होती है किसी चीज़ की, but I need the medication and I will
You will.
look into finding a doctor. सही है. Assalamu alaikum.